Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be checking out the DUSPRO Green Moss. This is their 5-ounce quantity, but they do have multiple variations available. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging right here. Everything's really shrunk down and compressed. Perfect for your fairy garden, indoor plants, or party decor. Compressed and vacuum sealed. Look at that right there on the front of the packaging. We're going to be using it right here to liven this fake plant up a little bit. So let's go ahead, let's open this up and see how it looks. Inside, you'll find some product literature where you can learn more about the company, a thank you card, and the moss itself right here. Take a look at that. Pretty neat. Now let's go ahead, let's get it set up. All right, so there we go. We have it installed. A little bit goes a long way, and I definitely think this helps to make this look a little bit more realistic and just gives it an all-around better presentation. Of the included 5 ounces, we kind of tried to split it in half. I thought maybe they were 2 separate squares. They kind of were, not really though. It didn't pull evenly, but that's really all we used of one of the squares right there. So look at that, we still have tons left for future plans. I'm happy, I think it looks really nice.